This is a Hetchins Magnum Opus I got from a buddy. Top of the line Hetchins with the curly stays. Kind of been gathering it for a time, looking at it, wasn't available to purchase. I collected some parts for it at my buddy's shop and just said, hey, these should go with it. And fortunately, it became available to purchase. I'm not a big fan of building stuff up from scratch, but I do an extensive study with Hetchins. This also came with some awesomeness, which is Super Champion derailleurs. I like tech, I like exploring stuff like that. Putting it together from scratch will definitely be a little bit tricky and take some research. Comes with this Super Champion stuff, which is pretty awesome derailleur. Super Champion's pretty unique stuff. It was very trusted in some of the earlier derailleur systems. The odd thing is this frame is 1951, which makes it really on the end of the era of the Super Champion stuff. But that does prove brand dedication to an accepted derailleur. So it has the brazed on tabs, which is pretty unique. But like I said, for 1951, other derailleurs were coming up. This is the Magnum Opus. It is the top of the line Hetchins. It also has their iconic curly stays. It is decked out in chrome. The curly stays were a form of suspension and awesomeness. I don't normally restore bikes from scratch, but I'm up for the challenge. This is part 1 from LuxLow.